start to head home and you want to right away start tearing into everything, photograph, photograph, photograph. You've got to document things, because whether you're using FEMA as your, insurance coverage or your regular insurance, you have to document, and don't just video it. Photograph, photograph, photograph.
And you brought up FEMA, and it's very, very important to go ahead. The inspections are to begin shortly, as soon as they're able to get out there. So to go ahead and put yourself in line for this. Don't wait. Just go ahead and call 800-621-FEMA. 800-621-FEMA, and they'll get the inspections underway for the disaster relief. There have been, just so you know, Governor John Bel Edwards' request that President Obama expand the existing federal declaration for the state of Louisiana to include additional parishes has been granted, and here are the additional parishes that were included in Governor John Bel Edwards' initial request for a federal disaster declaration. The 8 newly approved parishes, not surprising: Ascension,